Today in this lecture we are going to discuss your factor affecting rate of reaction. So following principle are factor affecting rate of rates. First is nature of reactant. तो के रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन में कौन अफेक्ट करशे तो के एनो नेचर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट एटले के रिएक्टेंट छे एनो नेचर केवो छे राइट. So experimentally it has been found that the rate of chemical reaction depend upon the nature of reactant species. For example, consider the oxidation of Fe2 plus ion and C2O4 2 minus ion by acidified KMnO4 solution. Now both reactions are similar as represented below. जो MnO4 plus H plus plus Fe2 plus fast reaction है. It gives Mn2 plus Fe3 plus and H2O. But MnO4 16H plus and 5 C2O4 2 minus एक KMnO4 નું Fe જોડે રિએક્શન છે અને એક KMnO4 નું C2O4 2 minus જોડે રિએક્શન છે. તો પહેલું રિએક્શન Fe2 plus જોડે છે કેવું છે ફાસ્ટ છે and second one is slow. So at a room temperature the first reaction is very fast whereas the second reaction is quite slow as indicated by the rate of disappearance to pink color of KMnO4. In fact, in the titration, the second reaction is so slow that heating is required. So this is on above case even if the some concentration of similar reactant are taken in a two reaction and the temperatures are also kept the same, the rates of these two reactions are still different. And this is obviously only due to the difference in the nature of the reacting agent. For example, Fe2 plus ion and C2O4 2 minus ion. So the difference in the rate may be described to the fact that a reaction involves breaking bonds on the reacting molecule and the formation of new bonds in the product molecule. Right? So energy is required for the breaking bonds and energy is released when the bond is formed. So net energy involved are different. એટલે કે બે રિએક્ટન્ટ છે એની એનર્જી કેવી હશે અલગ અલગ હશે બરાબર. એટલે કે એક ફાસ્ટ રિએક્શન આપે છે અને એક સ્લો રિએક્શન આપે છે. સો ધેટ્સ વાય નેચર ઓફ રિએક્ટન્ટ કન્સિડર is effect on a rate of reaction. Now second one is concentration of the reactant. With the expectation of zero order reaction, the rate is every chemical reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reacting substance. So the concentration of reacting species do not remain constant during the course of reaction and are continuously consumed during the course of reaction. Therefore concentration of the reactant decreases with the time. As you will see in the graph, rate of reaction, product, reactant and type. Now effect of temperature. Increase of temperature leads an increase in a velocity of the reaction. એટલે કે જેમ temperature વધારે એમ velocity કેવી થશે વધશે. And there are many gaseous reactions which take place very slowly at ordinary temperature, but when the temperature is raised they occur rapidly. And it has been experimentally found that the every 10 Celsius rise in a temperature, the velocity of reaction gets double. Now effect of catalyst. The presence of the catalyst can increase also and decrease the speed of particular reaction. For example, H2 and O2 do not combine, but the presence of small quantity of platinum which act as a catalyst, they combine and the reaction occurs rapidly. Similarly, a small amount of actinolite slow down the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. એટલે કે catalyst બી આમાં effect કરે છે, right? Now, what is definition, derivation and integrated rate equation? Now, reactions are not classified on the basis of their molecularity but also according to the order of reaction. The order of reaction is defined as the total number of atoms or a molecule of reactant whose concentration undergo measurable change in the rate of reaction determining step. અથવા તો total number of molecule or atoms whose concentration define the rate of reaction. Now we consider the rate dx by dt proportional to A. નાવ પ્રોપોર્શનાલિટી કોન્સ્ટન્ટ દૂર કરવા માટે શું મૂક્યું છે કે, હેન્સ ઓર્ડર ઓફ રિએક્શન ઇઝ નાવ ઇફ A plus B it gives product, the rate of કેટલું થશે તો કે dx by dt proportional to A, concentration of A and concentration of B. Now dx by dt is equal to K, concentration of A and concentration of B, hence the order of reaction is 2. Why 2? કારણ કે A અને B અલગ અલગ મોલેક્યુલ્સ છે, બરાબર, એટલે ઓર્ડર ઓફ રિએક્શન કેટલું આવશે? 2 આવશે. If 2A plus B it gives product, then rate of reaction dx by dt proportional to A, concentration of A in raised to 2 and B, કારણ કે 2 મોલ લીધેલા છે, રાઈટ. So dx by dt is equal to K, concentration of A and concentration of B, hence the order of reaction is 3, કારણ કે 3 છે, બરાબર, reactant. For the general equation Na plus Mb it gives product, so the rate is proportional to the nth power of the concentration of A and mth power of the concentration of B, so on. So overall order of reaction by n plus m plus dot 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 dot, right? Thus the order of reaction may be defined as the sum of the power of which concentration terms are raised to the rate law, and the sum of the power of concentration terms on which rate of the reaction actually depends upon it is called the order of reaction. એટલે કે order of reaction કોને કહેવાય તો કે sum of the power of the concentration, એટલે કે એની ઉપર જેટલી પાવર હોય, કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ઉપર જેટલી પાવર હોય, બરાબર, 2 હોય 3 હોય, એનો સમ, so is actually depends upon the rate of reaction. Now there are various type of determination of the order of reaction. એની ઘણી બધી ટાઈપ્સની મેથડ છે. તો પહેલી છે ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ મેથડ, અથવા તો એને કહેવાય હીટ એન્ડ ટ્રાયલ મેથડ. તો એમાં શું આવશે તો કે ઇન ધીસ મેથડ ધ ઇનિશિયલ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ઓફ ઓલ ધ રિએક્ટન્ટ ટેકિંગ પાર્ટ આર ડિટરમાઇન, એટલે કે ઇનિશિયલ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન લીધું હોય જેનું રિએક્ટન્ટનું, બરાબર, એ ડિટરમાઇન કરી શકાશે. એન્ડ ધ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ઓફ ધ રિએક્ટિંગ સબસ્ટન્સ is then determined at the different interval time. So the difference value of A and X are determined. These values are then substituted in a various order rate equation, and the equation which gives the constant value of rate constant for a series and interval of unit time. So we use integrated from the rate of equation determine the order of reaction. Another one is Ostwald isolation method. This method was given by Ostwald in 1902, and this method is applicable for the reaction which involves 2 or more reacting substance, એટલે કે એક કરતાં બે વધારે reacting substance હોય ત્યારે Ostwald isolation method use થાય છે. This method is based upon the fact that the order of reaction does not depend upon the concentration of all the reactant which are taken in excess. In this method the concentration of all reactant except one is taken is excess, and the order of reaction is then determined. Another separate experiment, the concentration of any other reactant is not taken in excess, and keeping that all the others in excess, the order of reaction is again determined. Now consider the reaction N1A plus N2B plus N3C, it gives product, so the rate is dx by dt. It gives K, concentration of A raised to N1, concentration of B raised to N2, and concentration of C raised to N3. So one experiment, the reactants B and C are taken excess and the other reaction determined with the separate of A. Suppose it is N1. Then is another experiment, reactant A and C are taken larger excess and order of reaction with respect to B. Right, so let it be N3, then the total order of reaction gives N is equal to N1 plus N2 plus N3. Now using half-life period, the time taken to complete half the reaction as a first order is independent of initial concentration of the reactant, but for a second order reaction the time taken to complete half the reaction, right, એટલે કે for first order માટે T1 half proportional to K, second order માટે T1 half proportional 1 by A, third order માટે T1 half proportional to A in 1 upon A raised to 2, and nth order માટે T1 half proportional to 1 a raised to n minus 1. આ આપણે ફર્સ્ટ અને સેકન્ડ ઓર્ડર ભણશું ત્યારે આ એમાં આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરવાનું જ છે, ત્યારે જોઈ લેશું, બરાબર, કોને હાફ લાઈફ પીરિયડ કહેવાય. Now graphical method. For a reaction of type A, it gives product. We can determine the reaction order by seeing whether the graph data fits on the integrated rate equation. Now what is the rate equation? K is equal to 2.303 by T log A upon A minus X. So minus 2.303 log A minus X is equal to K dot T minus 2 3.30. હવે આને આપણે ગ્રાફ ડ્રો કરવાનો. Y is equal to mx plus c ના ઇક્વેશન પ્રમાણે. તો કેવું આવશે? તો કે in case of second order reaction, log A minus X is plotted against T and this straight line is obtained, then it's said to be this is first order reaction. However, the curve is obtained, the reaction is not first order. So slope is equal to K into 2.303 is equal to AB upon BC. Now want of differentiation method. So this method was suggested by Want of and therefore it called Want of differentiation method. According to it, the rate of reaction of the nth order is proportional to the nth power of reaction. So rate is equal to minus dc by dt is equal to kc raised to n. Where C is the concentration at any instant and N is the order of reaction. If two experiments performed with a different instantaneous concentration, and we can write it below. So minus dc1 by dt is equal to kc1 raised to n and minus dc2 by dt is equal to kc2 raised to n. Taking log to the both side and so log minus dc1 by dt is equal to log k plus n plus log c1 and log dc2 by dt is equal to log k plus n log c2. So this is all about graphical method and Ostwald method and